Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to ElectroCAD. In the previous video, we completed sheet 2 where we designed the feed water pump power circuit using an MPCB based DOL starter. In this video, we will continue with the same professional approach and complete all remaining motor power circuits. And specifically, we will create sheet 3 for the RO pump power circuit and create sheet 4 for the dosing pump power circuit. We are intentionally finishing all power circuits first before moving to control logic. So let's get started. In the project manager, click on schematic folder and create a new drawing into that. Name it as RO ROFT-3 and write the description as RO pump power. This is our third sheet. We will type 3 and drawing name as ECAD-1. Click on OK and load the default project values into this drawing with yes. Once this is completed, its title block will be updated accordingly as RO pump power, and this will be sheet 3 of 3. To add multiple buses into this system, click on multiple bus, empty space, go horizontal, click 3 and start adding our line. After that, insert destination arrows as we have done already. Click project L1, OK, OK, yes, repeat again. For L2, click on project, take L2, OK. Now once again, enter to repeat this and add the third phase into that and 3. OK. Now click on multiple bus and click on another bus. Select 3 as cables and click on this red wire and drag it down to create 3 buses. Okay, the next step is to add our components for our pump. So first we will add MPCB, which is GV2 and PEM. Link it to the symbol. Map it to the symbol. Start placing it. Type MPCB. Click on OK. OK. Now we will add contactor to this circuit, which will be LC1B 12M7. Here it is in motor circuits, motor starters, and here it is, our magnetic contactor. Click on OK. So the next step is to add relay, which will be LRD10 in control relays, overload relays. Search for that. Here it is. Link it to our overload 3-pole relay. Click right. We can write EOCR and press OK. After that, we will be add terminals. Here are the terminals. We will find terminal as 8WA. We have already added that. Here are terminals, round with terminal, and click on OK. And here it is. We will keep that strip as X1 and add number 4 number will be added automatically. Click on OK repeat to repeat it. Okay, and okay again. Done. Now you can see that these terminals are not aligned. So I will tell you how to align these. Place your pointer on any terminal. When it is highlighted, right click and click on align. Now select all other two terminals and press enter to align all these terminals. Now for RO pump motor, we will add motor from the catalog browser. Here motors and type 1PC1001 1CA02 2VD4. So it is our motor. Click on that and start adding the motor. Here is our three-phase motor. Add it, map the symbol and place it here. Click on OK. So that is our RO pump. Done. So power circuit for our RO pump is also ready. Now we will add another drawing for the dosing pump. Right click to add new drawing or click on the folder and click here to add new drawing as ROFP-4 and that will be our dosing pump power and that will be our sheet number 4 and that is our drawing number. Click on OK. So our sheet 4 is now added and the names and title block is also updated. Now we will start adding our dosing pump power circuit. But our dosing pump is a single phase pump. Therefore, we only have to add single wire into this system. I will add simple one wire here. One wire here and one at the bottom. Okay, now add destination arrow. Here, drawing and now drawing from project and give L1 to this one and neutral to our this cable. Okay. Yes. Single line and start adding the components. Here, single pole MCB will be added for motor protection of single phase motor. We can simply add from icon menu single pole miniature circuit breaker. Single pole circuit breaker with thermal protection. Place it here. 4Q1 manufacturer is Schneider. Electric and the catalog number is A9F4106. This is added and that will be our 4 ampere dosing breaker and we can add the pins as well if we want. 1 and okay. Next we will add the magnetic contactor LC1D 09M7 and link it to the so our magnetic Contactor is added. Next step is to add relay. We add overload single port relay here. Click on OK. Next, we are going to add motor into the system. That will be single phase motor. Here it is, single phase motor. Place it here. You can say dosing pump. Okay. Now link this pump to neutral as well. Simply click on here to show terminal, click X. Type X and press enter to show terminals. Here it is. Click this one and link it to our neutral. Okay, and start adding the terminals. One terminal is added before for power line, and the next terminal will be required for the neutral. So now our power line for dosing pump is ready. Notice that across sheet 2, 3, and 4, each motor has its own power sheet. Each feeder is independent and tagging is clean and sheet based. This structure is mandatory for professional EPC projects. Now that all motor power circuits are complete, we are ready to move to control safety. In the next video, we will create sheet 5 that will be control power and safety, control MCB, phase failure relay, emergency stop, and master control enable logic. This sheet will decide whether the entire control system is alive or dead. Always complete power circuits before touching control logic. This discipline avoids mistakes and saves times on site. Save your work, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.